How to use PiNetwork after the Mainnet launch. A comprehensive guide. The PiNetwork is redefining cryptocurrency with its mobile-first approach and energy-efficient mining. With its recent Mainnet launch, Pi has transitioned from a testing phase to a fully decentralized blockchain, opening up exciting opportunities for users. In this guide, we'll explore how to use the PiNetwork after the Mainnet launch, from setting up your wallet to transacting, trading, and leveraging its ecosystem for long-term benefits. Key takeaways. What's new? PiNetwork now operates on a decentralized mainnet blockchain. Why it matters? Pioneers can migrate tokens, conduct real-world transactions, and engage with dApps. Action plan. Learn to set up your wallet, migrate tokens, trade, and explore Pi's growing ecosystem. What is the Mainnet launch, and why is it important? The Mainnet launch is the transition of PiNetwork from its experimental testnet phase to a fully functional and decentralized blockchain. This enables token utility. Pi tokens can now be used for payments, trading, and more. Decentralization. Transactions are verified on a secure, transparent blockchain. Ecosystem growth. Developers can build decentralized applications, dApps, powered by Pi tokens. How to set up your Mainnet wallet. Your Mainnet wallet is your gateway to the Pi blockchain. Here's how to get started. Step-by-step guide. Update the app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the PiNetwork app. Create your wallet. Navigate to the Mainnet Wallet section in the app. Follow the prompts to generate a wallet and securely save your private key. Verify your identity. Complete the KYC process to unlock wallet functionalities. Migrating Pi tokens to Mainnet. To begin transacting on the Mainnet, you must migrate your Pi tokens. Steps to migrate. Confirm KYC approval. Ensure your identity verification is complete. Initiate migration. Transfer your tokens from the testnet wallet to the Mainnet wallet via the app. Check balance. After migration, your Pi balance will reflect in your Mainnet wallet. How to use Pi tokens on the Mainnet. Pi tokens can now be used for peer-to-peer transfers. Send and receive tokens between wallet addresses. dApps usage. Access decentralized applications in the Pi ecosystem. Payments. Pay for goods and services on platforms accepting Pi. Transaction tips. Always double-check wallet addresses before transferring tokens. Familiarize yourself with any transaction fees in Pi required for validation. Trading Pi tokens on cryptocurrency exchanges. The Mainnet launch paves the way for Pi tokens to be listed on exchanges. How to start trading. Monitor listings. Look for verified exchanges announcing Pi token availability. Transfer Pi tokens. Move tokens from your Mainnet wallet to the exchange wallet. Start trading. Trade Pi for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Exploring PiNetwork's dApps ecosystem. The Pi ecosystem is evolving, with developers building dApps for various use cases. Popular use cases. E-commerce. Pay for products using Pi tokens. Gaming. Participate in blockchain-based games. Smart contracts. Automate agreements within decentralized applications. How to access dApps. Navigate to the ecosystem section within the Pi app. Explore and engage with available dApps. Long-term benefits of using Pi. Hodling Pi tokens. Many users may prefer to hold Pi tokens, anticipating value appreciation as the ecosystem grows. Staking opportunities. Should Pi introduce staking programs, you can earn rewards by holding tokens in your wallet. Supporting decentralization. Running a Pi node contributes to network security and earns you additional tokens. Security best practices. Protect your Pi tokens with these tips. Secure your wallet. Store your private keys in a safe, offline location. Avoid scams. Use only official PiNetwork resources and avoid unsolicited offers. Stay informed. Follow PiNetwork's official channels for updates. SEO tips for PiNetwork enthusiasts. To attract more users or engage an audience interested in PiNetwork, consider writing blogs or creating videos on how to use PiNetwork, highlighting success stories of dApp developers within the Pi ecosystem, offering tutorials on setting up wallets or transacting Pi tokens. Conclusion: the Mainnet launch marks a new era for the PiNetwork, bringing its vision of an inclusive and user-friendly cryptocurrency closer to reality. By setting up your Mainnet wallet, migrating tokens, and exploring its ecosystem, you can actively participate in this growing blockchain network. Whether you're a casual user, trader, or developer, PiNetwork offers diverse opportunities to engage and benefit. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of PiNetwork? Start by setting up your Mainnet wallet today. Let us know your experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.